In this video, we'll take a look at version 2 of Eachine's remote receiver. Eachine's remote receiver comes in a pretty cool little silver box. Inside the box are two types of cables of the micro USB on one side, micro USB on the other on this one, and a USB-C on the second cable. This is a diversity model, so hopefully the reception will be pretty good. The connection was nice and tight, so we know it won't slip out very easily. I plan on using Velcro on the back of my laptop to connect this. It comes with two left-hand antennas to make use of the diversity feature. You plug in your USB. So there are two buttons here, a left and a right button, and you can see when I press the left button here, the frequency decreases, and if you hold the button down, it begins a search or scan of the airwaves. What I like about this is although it found two fairly strong signals from the video transmitter on my drone, it automatically went to the strongest signal, so I didn't have to select it myself. Checking the latency, it seemed pretty decent. I don't know if I would fly with this without my goggles, but actually the latency wasn't too bad. So for this example, I've connected up my laptop, which is really why I purchased this, but I also have my Eachine 800D goggles running, picking up the signal as well. So you can see the latency is pretty decent. Not a bad buy for about $22.95 from Banggood. If you like this video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and take a look at what Banggood has to offer. Thanks for watching.